Hey you, I'm talking to you. So you wanna know how to do the wipes. You wanna know how to do a cool before and after wipe. You see all the videos, everyone's selling their LUT packs and they show the flat, desaturated raw footage, and then a beautiful music swells up and you open up to this beautifully color graded footage. Well, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, so we open up Premiere and you got your clip here, and I got a clip from the dog park, and that's a real happy pup right there, and I got it color graded and everything. And what we want to do is we want to do the before and after. We want to show the wipe. So what do? Well, first copy that clip, put it over the initial clip. Just gonna remove these attributes. So this has no color grade or LUT or anything on it. So we're gonna go over to effects, go down to wipe, and we're gonna put it on the end here. And so where we want this to start really depends on, right? So we want it kind of halfway through, and we're gonna start it, and then we're gonna see the wipe, boom. And we kind of want this to go out a little longer so you can really see the full effect. So it's as easy as that. You literally throw it on, boom, you got your before and after. And that's literally all you have to do for a before and after color grading effect. I hope you guys liked the video. Leave a like and a comment, maybe subscribe, and that's it. See ya.